Guys, we planned for a small surprise for Kiara. I told her I'll give her a little change in her room. Open. So we did some things. Let me show you what we did. As you can see, I have her crib here, which I'm planning to turn into a reading table for her. I don't know how I'll do it, but I have gathered all the parts. I'll try to place it the way I want, and if there is any carpentry work required, I'm thinking I'll go take help of a local carpenter. I promised her that I'll give a surprise room makeover for her. She'll be very happy for small changes also. Let's get to this. There are all different sizes of nuts and bolts. I don't know where they'll go, but I'll try. That's a really good start. I have the frame on the three sides. Now I'll have a plank, these planks over here. This thing is broken from here. So I'll figure out a way to remove this and add this to the frame. And I've taken this tool to see the height of it. Where the holes for the screws are there for this, that's going very low. She'll be growing up, so it won't fit her length. So I'm going to fix it a little up. I'll ask the carpenter to screw this thing to the frame. So that's the only thing which I need help from carpenter. Carpenter just came. I discussed with him. Initially I thought we'll just fix the plank, but it needs some support from the bottom. So there is this piece which is from this end. This sits like here as a crib. So I'm going to place this in the middle like that, so that gives support for the top one. I have this rod and this ring kind of thing. If you guys have a crib, you might have this extension on your crib too. Let's just fix it here and see. Okay, there you go. Basically, the table's main frame is completely done. I bought this wire. He had only two options. I liked this color better. 2 meters of wire. There's a plug point right there, so I just need very little. But I thought I'll just wrap it around here, so that will look as a decoration thing. Then I got a bulb holder and a plug. I need to fix these two onto the both ends. I have these two bulbs with me. I will see whichever is looking good and giving good light. I'll put that on. Let's get to fixing the wire. Okay, that is done. Let's look at the other side. Now we need to fix this inside this. By the way, I've done these kind of things when I was very young, like 10-12 years old. But doing it after very long, I don't know if this works. Let's cross the fingers and see if it works. Yay! It worked! Yes! I got this! Now I don't want to leave the bulb as it is, so I'm planning to make origami lampshade. I'm not sure how that will turn out. It's all trial and error things which I'm doing with this study table corner. So far everything came out well. Let's see how that origami thing comes out. Kiki, we have a surprise in your room. Are you excited? Okay, let's go. Open. మేమేరా నచ్చిందా?
అన్ని పింక్స్.
నీకు పింక్ కావాలన్నావు కదా, అన్ని పింకులు. ఈ గిఫ్ట్ నచ్చిందా?